Hey, what's going on guys? It's CJ. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a leaky faucet. So my daughter's bathroom, she turns the water on and all of a sudden a little bit of water starts to spray, especially when it's on a higher power. You can see the stream is just kind of spraying like that off in the corner. So what is going on? Well, let's figure it out. Okay, so you can see it's kind of dripping off the side. So if you look underneath, you see there's kind of a middle slot there. All you'd have to do is just get a flathead, and we're gonna go ahead and loosen that up. Now, before I loosen it, this is just a pro tip. You don't want that to fall down the drain, right? You might have a pulley. I don't have a pulley in this sink. So that you just have to push down manually and then pull up with your fingers. So you're gonna put that right in that spot. Make sure the water is off the knobs. Turn it to your left. Always remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Turn it to your left. You should start to see that middle piece, that filter, come right out. Loosen it until, loosen it with your fingers. Try to pull down on it because we want to take that out of there. There it is. So this is what we got. The filter, and there's a cap. So what happens over time is it starts to develop minerals, so calcium deposits and all that kind of stuff, and we need to clean that out. And we can also just look up in there and make sure that's all clean. You can see there's a little bit of stuff here, and you can also see in the water, something in the water. You can see there's little deposits, right? Okay, so as long as this is free and clear, which it looks like it is, I don't really see anything in there. So basically you can just run the water down here and let it fall out of that hole on that side. I'm not actually gonna pop this off because it's pretty snug on there. I don't wanna break it off. So I'm just gonna put it back in and we're gonna make sure it doesn't leak. So when you put this back in, try to clear the water out of there. And you just wanna put this in flush. It has to be flush, okay? So put it straight in and make sure that is flush when you put that in and you start to turn it. As long as you put that in there flush, get your flathead and go ahead and start retightening back in. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. I'm turning it to the right now. And don't over tighten it, just tighten it to where it stops. Never over tighten anything when you're tightening something. You don't want to strip it because you can strip it. Okay, so that's tight. Let's go ahead and run the water and see what happens. That is on high pressure. Boom! Hell yeah! That's what I'm talking about. It's not leaking anymore. Let's go ahead and turn on the cold. Looks good to me. Like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.